Hello beautiful souls, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. If you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support guys. Okay, so in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. So the topic for today, okay, so the topic for today is what's coming next in your journey. So what's next in your journey? So that's what the topic is. So I have 4 piles over here. Okay, so I have kept the numbers. You can select like that with the numbers, or you can just go with 1 2 3 4 any way you're feeling. Okay, it's up to you. So just select you know just use your inner guidance, so not your eyes. So yeah, so this is your okay, so this is the first group. We have the number 6. Okay, and it's yellow in color. So number 6 for group 1. So number 4 for group 2. Number 4 for group 2. And then the third group has number 8. Okay, number 8 for group 3. And the group 4 has number 1. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 and 4. Close your eyes, relax your mind. Okay, and ask your guides which pile you need to choose and let them guide you. Okay, so yeah, so in the description box below I will be putting the timestamps. You can watch your video. Okay, hello group 1 who chose the 6th number. So we will be doing your charms, and these 2 cards will tell me what's coming next in your journey. And with this tarot cards we will be digging deeper, and then these cards will be telling me what lesson you are learning or you will be learning in this journey. This card will be telling me about your messages from angels, guidance from angels, archangels, guardian angels. Okay, and this is your affirmation card that will help you in this journey. Okay, so the first thing we'll talk about this number 6. So I feel like the 6th number is about balancing things, balancing your responsibilities, having a balance. Relationship harmony is coming, I feel, for some of you if you're in a relationship. So that is coming next in your journey. Okay, so yeah, you might be a Cancer sign also, or a Taurus sign also. That is also coming through here. And of course you need to let go of something, let go of your past, or let go of the people that is not serving you, or let go of the things that is not serving you, let go of the feelings that is not serving you. That is also important here. Okay, so what's coming next in your journey, let's see. Okay, so what these 2 cards, yes, choosing your path, all is possible. So it's the time to choose your path. Okay, so maybe you have a decision to make whether you want to go to this path or not. So maybe other people are telling you, no, don't go, it's not going to be easy, but it's your decision. Okay, you have to make a decision for yourself. If you want to go, choose your path wisely with your internal guidance. So what your heart is saying, just go with it and everything will be possible. So when you choose the path, when you tell yourself that yes, I'm moving forward with this path, you will be able to reach your destination. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to take this path or not. Okay, so whatever the I feel you need to listen to your heart, your intuition, that will guide you. Okay, and when you follow your dreams without thinking of other people. Okay, because sometimes we leave other people's dreams, and it's not good because you will not be happy. So it's time that you choose for yourself. It's time to choose your own path that makes you happy, because you are the one that you are the only one that will be living with yourself forever. Okay, does that make sense? So people will come and go in your life, but our soul will be with us, right? So you need to love yourself and to nurture yourself and be gentle with it, and to listen to your soul, to listen to your heart, and make a decision and keep moving forward. When you keep moving forward, you will reach your destination for sure. If you take that first step, you will reach your destination. So it's up to you whether you want to take this step or not, or whether you want to go with other people things, or whether you want to put that limiting beliefs inside your head and don't, you feel like that you will not be able to achieve. Sometimes we people think that we are not able to achieve, we don't have that much to achieve, we cannot achieve, we think that we are weak. So that is what needs to be changed, and you need to understand that everything is possible and you can do anything you want to do, and you will reach the destination for sure. So if you take the first step, you're going to reach the destination. So your light is shining brightly. So you will be shining bright, you will be transforming. When you take this path, you will be transforming, okay? With this butterfly, I feel like that. And you have this butterfly here also with the charm. So it is a confirmation that you will be transforming. Now, right now, you are in a cocoon, right? You need to be the butterfly. But when you start your path, when you start your journey with anything, with a person, or with a decision that you need to make, it's different for everyone. So what you're thinking, just go for it, okay? Because that will lead to happiness, that will make you happy. You will have a good home life. I don't know why there is a home here, the castle, okay? So you will be happy, you will live your life in a good possible way. I feel you will be joyful, you will be happy, you will be bright, you will have that light inside you, okay? I feel with this Taurus energy, you will have this material needs also fulfilled, okay? Because it's about assets, you will have assets also. And with this home, I also feel that you will be able to have a good luxury life. I feel like that when you choose this path for yourself. So you need to understand that you need to trust yourself and just go forward with your idea or whatever that is for you. So it's up to you to choose your path, okay? So yes, for many of you, you will be making a decision and going within and trusting your heart. So just trust your heart, that's what it is, okay? Okay, so we have Ace of Cups. So some new things are coming in your life, new home, new relationship, new opportunities, okay? So love is coming. So I feel, look at this. Cup energy, emotions, okay? I feel many of you are very, very intuitive also. So your internal guidance is strong. So if your internal guidance is saying something strongly, I feel it's very clear. So it's time to choose your path, okay? So, and this path will bring you new opportunities, okay? For sure, new love. This path is going to bring you happiness. And you will be glowing, you will be beautiful. You will be happy, I feel. Yeah, you will be able to, because with this King of Cups, I feel you will be able to have this balance in your life. You will be able to reach this King of Cups, okay? And I feel for many of you, there might be two people coming into your life, okay? So with this Knights and this Cup, so you need to make a decision between these two. That is also, so just trust your intuition with this also. Maybe you need to have a wider perspective about things also here. That is also necessary, and you need to know what is good for you, because your intuition will only lead you to the better place, okay? So it is not the outer beauty, okay? It's the inner beauty that is important here. So yes, you will be very much in this intuitive emotional phase, I feel like that, where you will be happy. You'll be expressing yourself, I feel like that also. And this person, whoever is coming, I feel they are loving, romantic also, I feel like that, okay? So whatever is that, you need to be very joyful, you need to express yourself, you need to put your thoughts on a paper. That is also, because your thoughts have the answers, okay? So you need to put that out. And maybe you are having your intuition is strong, guys, okay? That is also coming through. You will be able to balance everything. That is what your destination. Look, reaching your destination, your light is shining brightly. So yes, you will reach your destination. You will transform into a person, a complete different person. You will be transforming into a new different person. Wow, that is also beautiful. So your journey is going to be very emotional, very intuitive, and new opportunities, new ideas. It can be a new idea that will help you in this journey. So you will be able to achieve the destination. So enjoy the journey. Don't be in a hush, okay? or wishy-washy energy going back and forth with this. Just make the decision and move forward, okay? You will reach the destination. So that is what is coming. I feel like that for you. All is cups, and we have this Cancer sign also. So you might be a Cancer sign for some of you, okay? Cancer is coming here. It's not necessary, but yes, the Cancer is like strong here. Okay. Cancer, Pisces and Aquarius is strong. But of course you can be any sign, but that is coming here, water sign. Or you may be meeting a water sign also. That will help you in this journey. So anyways, new opportunities, new ideas. You will be kind enough to give things to other people also. I feel like that. You will be very, very lovable, and you will be loving and respecting others also, because you will be choosing your path and you will be happy about it. And finally you will enjoy the journey, because you will anyways reach your destination. So don't stress about anything. Everything is happening accordingly, okay? And you look with this you're very wise people also, okay? Or someone is guiding you also. I feel like that. So listen to your elders. I feel like that, if they're guiding you, but at the same time listen to your heart also, okay? So what is the lesson that you're going to learn in this journey? Friendship. Okay, so yeah, maybe the one who is coming, this Knight of Cups might be a friend that is coming towards you. You need to understand that friendship is also important. So the lesson you will be learning is, I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. So value your friendship, okay? Give time to them. So that is what you will be learning, because you have friends that are helping you in this journey, making a decision. So maybe this wise person is your friend, okay? So you need to let go of so if there was some problem between you, you need to let go of that problem and value that relationship, okay? For many of you, you might be having a new friend, you're connecting with a new friend. That can also happen, and you will be valuing, you will value that relationship. They will be helping you in your journey, and you will be helping them in them also. So yeah, so it's going to be a very good relationship that you will be having, and you will be valuing that. So that is the lesson you will be learning. You will be, in the future, you will be happy with your friends, you will have fun with your friends, and you will make a soul, you will make a soul tribe or something like that, tribe that will help you when you are in need, and you will help them, okay? So that kind of energy is coming, having fun together, okay? And I feel you will be balanced also, okay? So you have a lot of loving people around you in your journey, okay? So first thing you need to know is to trust your intuition and choose the path. Look, building blocks. So your angels, messages from your angels, spirit guides, the guidance, it is that you are taking your step forward and move, and you are building the blocks. So step by step, it's not going to be like, it will take time. So just choose your path and keep moving forward. You will build the blocks, you will be happy, you will be successful. You're building your blocks, you're making your foundation, and finally it will turn into building, okay? So don't worry. So whether it's relationship, whether it's a friendship, whether it's your career, so just go forward, okay? You will be shining, okay? So that is what coming. So you need to let go of something that is not serving you. Maybe you're hanging around something for someone, or some idea that was not working. You need to let go of this with skeleton, okay? And remember that you're strong, you're courageous, you can do anything in your life. And we talked about the stars and crab and butterfly, and yes, fairy energies. You need to have fun with your friends, you need to value your relationship, okay? Yes, you will be valuing your relationship, you will have balance, and maybe this friendship is your partnership also. You need to balance that also. You will be balancing, you will be loving your partner. There will be a friendly connection between you, okay? Between you and your partner, that is also happening. And maybe together you are building blocks of this relationship or career also. Anything it can be, okay? And so that the affirmation that you have is there, that is, there is no blame, okay? So remember that everyone has a journey. You don't need to blame anyone for your maybe you just went on a path that was not good for you. So there is no need to do that, okay? You need to understand that you shouldn't blame yourself or anyone else, okay? Let go of that. Yeah, maybe that is the thing you need to let go of that feelings of blame, or let go of that person who was not right for you completely. Don't think about them, just let go, okay? I release the need to blame anyone, including myself. Okay, we are all doing the best we can with the understanding, knowledge and awareness we have. Okay, so this is your affirmation card. This might help you in the future in your journey. So if you want to take a screenshot or something, like, please take it. Let me see it better like this. Okay, I release the need to blame anyone, including myself. We are all doing the best we can with the understanding, knowledge and awareness we have. So yes, no need to blame anyone, and of course not yourself also. Don't blame anyone for your situation, including you. Okay, so that's all I have for you, but you're choosing your path and going forward, and that will be a good foundation for you guys. So just keep on moving, keep on working on your relationship also. You will be happy. Okay, you are very intuitive, your internal guidance is so strong. Just work on that, and yes, have fun, don't be serious all the time. Okay, so that's all I have for group 1. If you like the reading, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2, whoever chose this 4 number. So these are your charms that I'll be talking about, and these 2 cards will be telling me about what's next coming in your journey, what's coming next in your journey, and the tarot cards will add the message, and this oracle card will tell me about what lesson you will be learning in your journey, what you're learning, what you will be learning, that kind of thing. And this wisdom of the oracle card will say about the guidance from your angels, your higher self, your spirit guides, your guardian angels. Okay, and this is the affirmation card that will help you in your journey. Okay, so first we will start with what's coming next in your journey. So the 2 cards, wow, look at this, stepping into power. You are strong beyond measure, and transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. So look, we have this lizard here, right? So lizard is about regeneration. Okay, becoming a new person. So yes, and first I will talk about this 4 number. I feel this 4 number here is you're going to be very, very stable in your life, but right now it doesn't feel like that, because you're transforming, you're in a process of transformation, and it's not easy at all. It's tough because you are not you're breaking free from your own limiting belief system, so it's going to be uncomfortable, but finally I feel like that in your journey you will be stable, you will be able to meet your I feel you will have a good home life also. Yes, you are stepping into your power. You're not allowing others to take advantage of you anymore. I don't know, that message is coming here, and you're rising like a phoenix. I feel like that. Okay, so stepping into power. So the first card, yes, you're going to understand that you're powerful, and finally you're stepping into your power. You're understanding that people have been taking advantage of you, but now from now onwards in your journey, you're not allowing that anymore. Okay, and a fresh new way of living emerges. So you're transforming, you are changing your belief system. You're not giving your power to anyone else. You're not wasting your energy to negativity. Okay, you are embracing yourself the way you are, and understanding that you have talent, and you are working on that. Okay, you're taking your power back. That's the thing. You're taking the seat, the throne. Okay, you're the king or the queen you are. You're taking that power back. I feel like that in the past you were like giving your power to other people. Maybe you were in a relationship where other people were guiding you, and that was not good for you, or in a career, other people were taking advantage of you. But finally you are breaking free from that. You're taking your power back, and you're transforming, you're rising as a phoenix. Your lifestyle is changing, your way of thinking, your way of living, everything is changing here. So a complete transformation is coming, and divine is helping you in this. So this is not an easy process, but definitely you are taking your power back, and you will be feeling so relaxed and happy after this. Right now it's little difficult, but yeah, you are transforming, you're regenerating as a new person, complete new. I feel a new makeover. You might be changing. You're going to change from inside, but I feel for many of you, you are changing your hairstyle or something like that, also changing your dresses, the way you used to dress. Now your dressing sense is also changing, or something like that. Okay, that you wanted to do. Okay, yeah, look at that. You're taking the driver's seat. So finally, you are determined to move forward. You're taking the power back. You're taking the driver's seat. You're not in the passenger seat. Okay, you are taking the driver's seat. So you know where you need to go, and you are going according to your will. No one can manipulate you now, and you know that some people were manipulating you, but right now you have overcome that. You are taking your power back and moving towards freedom, and you're determined to make things happen for you. So you are in your power right now. Wow, that's a beautiful transformation from, I feel, from innocence to being mature and understanding that that you cannot trust everyone. That is also, you learn that also. I feel you learn that in a hard way, but finally, yeah, that is coming here. And again we have lizard here. Look at this. Wow, some things, look, we have this lizard here. So yes, you are growing, you're taking your power back, and you're feeling that you have the world in your hands now. You can do anything you want to do. Okay, you're not giving in to any other people. You're not taking crap from other people, if I would say like that. Okay, yes, you know what you need to do, and you're going towards your goal. You're just so determined to move forward in your life. And then we have this Queen of Swords energy. Yes, you're making boundaries. You're not letting people in so easily. You're not trusting people easily. So maybe I feel you will have problem with trusting people also in this journey, because of the past experiences. Okay, so you will be taking that power. So your intuition is strong here. So your intuition will guide you. You will be able to understand who is good for you, who is not good for you. So trust your intuition in this. Okay, so you are finally the Queen of Swords, right? You are finally taking your power back, and you know who you need to let in, who you don't need to let in, that kind of thing. Okay, justice. Okay, the master number 11. I feel they will get their karma. Okay, so many people have I feel many people have hurt you, and they have taken advantage of you. Okay, so finally, if that is the case, I feel they will get their karma and you will get yours. Okay, so if you have done the good karma, you will get you will reap your rewards. That's why this transformation is happening in the first place, right? You're finally understanding why people are like this, and they were manipulating. You are understanding their lies. Okay, yes, you are understanding their lies, and you know that you shouldn't trust that people, and you know what you need to do. And finally, you're setting your boundaries, and you're not letting them in and destroy your life anymore, and you're taking your power back, and they will get their karma. I feel the justice will be played there. Okay, you will get your justice. I feel like that for many of you. So what is the lesson that you will be learning? Okay, balance. Okay, so yeah, I bring a state of perfect harmony into the world, and I do so without judgment. Okay, so I feel the main lesson you need to learn is that in the past there were people who manipulated you or something like that. So in the future, I feel you will be not able to trust other people. You will be judging people because of your past experiences. So you need to know that there are different people. Okay, so it's not how to say this. Okay, wait. So new people, you will be meeting new people. Don't judge them because of your past experiences. Okay, don't judge them. So that is what you are going to learn, because everyone will not be the same. So there are good people also. Okay, so because of this past experiences, you will not be able to trust them easily. But I feel your intuition is strong, so you need to trust your intuition more and more. Okay, so here you have the 14 number, that is 5. Truth be told, so the message from your guardian angels, yes, you will be able to see the you will be able to remove the mask of other people. You will be able to see the deception that other people have, because of your intuition is so strong. So you just need to trust trust your intuition. If your intuition say that this person is not good for you, that means they are not good. So you're going to be very, very wise. Okay, you will have a lot of wisdom to give to other people also. I feel like that, because look at this, we have this all, your intuition is strong. So definitely trust your intuition with people. Okay, and you know who is deceptive, who is not good for you. Okay, so that is what you're learning also in this journey. Okay, and yes, your intuition is strong, you're going to be very, very wise and noble. Okay, and yes, peace is coming into your life. Finally you will be peaceful, and you're going to fly high. Okay, you're going to fly high. Okay, so yeah, you're going to be stable, you're breaking free from your past, and you're moving towards freedom, where you're taking your power back, you are setting your boundaries, and you are not judging people because of your past experiences. That is the thing you will be learning in this journey more and more, and to trust your intuition. And your angels are with you. So when you feel someone is not good, that means they are not good for you. Okay, so the affirmation that will help you. Okay, yeah, look at this, the past is over, the past is over, the past is over. Okay. This is a new day, one that I have never lived before. I stay in the now and enjoy each and every moment. So this affirmation will help you, so you can write it down, and yes, read it once a day or twice a day. That will help you in your journey. Okay, so yes, the past is over, guys. The past is definitely over. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot or something, you can take it. Okay, so the past is over. Yeah, finally you're getting your power back. Finally you're going to be so strong. Wow, that's beautiful. So best of luck with that. So if you liked my reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So hello group 3, who chose this 8 number. So I feel this pile, so for this pile, the 8 number, I feel you're going to be abundant. You're going, the infinite, the infinity number, I feel like that infinity. So you have infinite possibilities coming towards you, I feel like that. But you need to love yourself first, and then embrace small things that you have in your life. Be thankful for the small things in your life, and see things with love, not with anger. Okay, so maybe you have so much anger inside you, you need to let go of that anger, because you have this charm. This is pink color one, and that is about love, and you have this fork also, and that is talking about anger. So you need to let go of that anger and embrace everything with love. Okay, so that is the main message I'm getting for this group. Okay, so these oracle cards will talk about what's coming next in your journey. With this tarot, we will be digging deeper about that, and then this card will be telling about the lessons that you will be learning, or you're going to learn with this journey. And this was the guidance from your angels, spirit guides, or what are the message from them. And this is going to be the affirmation card that will be helping you in your journey. Okay, so let's see what's coming next, and we will be talking about the charms also. Okay, so yeah, oh wow, that is beautiful. You're protected by your angels. Okay, you are cherished by the angels. So you're the your angels love you. Okay, so I feel Archangel Michael is coming here for you guys. If you believe in him, that is a very, very strong message for you guys, that Archangel Michael is protecting you. You are cherished by them, because I feel this is like Archangel Michael helping you with your stability, with your security, with your money, with your finances, with your love life, everything. Okay, so he is telling you to love more, and no hate, only love. Okay, and to find love in small things. So whatever path you're taking, so the path is not so easy, right? Here, look at this, the path is not so easy. Ascending in the mountain, it's not easy. Keep going forward. So there will be ups, there will be down. Sometimes you will be tired, you will be feeling exhausted, but the angels are with you, and they are telling you to keep moving forward. So whatever your journey is, you will be protected by your angels, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just keep on moving forward with love and compassion for yourself and others. Okay, don't let anger, because sometimes because of the fear, because of the anger, we believe that we are not meant to have this, but we are. Your angels are protecting you. So the main blessing that you have, that your angels are by your side, the divine is by your side. So whoever you believe in, they are with you. Okay, so remember that they are guiding you to keep moving forward. So keep moving forward, even if you feel there is many challenges coming towards you, but you will be able to reach here. Okay, you will be able to reach here because there is so much protection, and of course you will be learning lessons. You will be you will get stronger. I feel you are very, very stronger, and this path will make you more stronger. Okay, so whatever the challenges are, you will overcome it. Okay, so don't worry. So whatever your path is, just keep on moving forward. So you are on the right path. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what the tarot have to add to this. Okay, let's see. So the first card, I feel you have Tower. You have 3 major arcanas. Okay, look at that. So this is a main. No, you have 4 major arcanas. Oh my God, you don't have. You have. This is like, I feel this is like it's the main message for you, because you have 4. It's like for long. Yeah, you have 4 major arcanas. Okay, so you have this Tower moment. You had this Tower moment right now where you felt, yeah, that's why they are telling you to keep moving forward. Okay, so something happened, maybe a relationship broke or something, like it's a tough period, but remember, it's all according to the divine plan. So it's you might be learning something, you're getting more courageous. Okay, you have the Strength card. You have the courage to overcome these things. Okay, because your angels are with you and you have that much of inner strength. So that's why you have to face all this, because you're courageous and you meant because all this is all happening for a divine reason. You might understand later. Right now you might be questioning that, so don't question anymore. Listen to your intuition and know that this message is telling you that the angels are with you. You don't have to think so much about your future, because everything is happening according to the plan, to the divine plan. So this is meant to happen. Okay, but this is going to make you more courageous. Your inner strength is growing, so you are coming out as a warrior. Okay, sometimes my words. Okay, so you are going to be very, very courageous, and I feel this is moving away from your life. Okay, finally this is moving away, because you are not giving up. You are believing in yourself and you keep moving forward, because you know that everything is okay, going to be okay. And because of all things, you have so much of fear and so much of anger inside you. You need to let go of that. Look, from these things I feel like that. From this charm also I will talk about that. So this, you have this Deer, and it's also about talking about love. Okay, so it's important you embrace love, you embrace divine love. Let go of this anger that you have. You might be thinking, why this is happening with me? Okay, why there are so many challenges, why this has to go now, but remember, this is all happening according to the plan, and you are blessed. We have this, look, you're blessed by the angels. So remember that you need to let go of this anger and see the love of the angels, spirit guides. This is all happening because you're meant to do big. I feel like that this is a lesson you need to learn in your life. Okay, and finally you will be balanced. Okay, you will be balanced because of the temperance card. And again, I feel Archangel Michael is protecting you with your stability, with your healing. Everything he is protecting you. Okay, you're completely protected. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. All this is happening for a reason, and let go of that anger, frustration that you have inside your heart. Okay, and embrace the love, embrace the divine love, embrace love yourself, balance, meditate. Okay, and you will be the emperor. Okay, you're meant to be the emperor. You're meant to guide other people. When successful people, they don't become success. They don't get their success in very quickly. They fail, they fall many times, and then only they reach their higher position. So for you also, you will be falling many times, but your angels are there to protect you, to guide you, and you will get up and you will be more stronger than ever, and finally you will reach your destination. You will be that emperor, you will be that boss, you will be guiding so many people, you will be the CEO, or you will be having a company or a business that will be flourishing. You are meant to do big, guys. You are going to be abundant because of this 8 number. I feel like that. And with the 3 number, your angels are blessing you. You can connect to your divine. Okay, and here the charms. Look at this. People are gonna follow your path. Okay, because you are enduring this, because that is for a reason, because you will you will guide other people. Now you're trusting. It's the time to trust the angels and keep moving forward. Okay, so yes, you are going to be very, very successful. Right now it doesn't feel like that, but remember, your angels are protecting you. This is a long way to go, okay, because I feel this is a very big journey for you guys, but finally you will be reaching that position. And remember to love yourself, to be gentle with yourself, to nurture yourself at the same time. And remember, love is all above hate. Don't hate yourself. You're worthy, okay? So that is what important thing is coming for you in this journey. And the lesson that you will be learning, look, perseverance. I know that I can do whatever I set mind to. Look at that card. So the lesson is to yes, you need to learn that things don't happen overnight. It will take time, and you need to walk. You need to keep moving forward. So that is what you're going to learn. And in the future, I feel in the coming years, you will be guiding other people because of your story, because you have endured so much. You learn this lesson, you will be learning this lesson, and you will be you will be teaching this to other people. I feel like that. So what are the message from your angels? Like, yes, you are going to form a community. Look at that, how this is connecting with each other. So yes, you will be forming a community. You're meant to form a community where you will be helping other people grow and talk about this perseverance, telling them to move forward, guiding them, helping them. And again, we have this 8 number here. Look at this, how this is coming. Look, so yes, you will be teaching all the lessons you have learned. So this is all happening according to a divine plan. So you are here for a bigger cause, okay? You're meant to lead the way. You're meant to give people instructions. You're meant to teach people. So that's why you have to endure all this, okay? You have to become stronger. So yes, right now there are challenges, but you are protected, and you are meant to do big, guys. So your journey is not going to be a very easy one, but definitely you will reach there, okay? Yeah, wow, that's beautiful. So the affirmation that will help you in this journey is like, I experience love wherever I go. So yeah, love was there. I told you, love. This donates about love. Then this deer donates about love, and you need to cut down this anger. Let it go, the anger that is inside you, because something is not coming the way you are, because it is taking time, and that's why you're frustrated. So it's important that you love yourself, you love angels, love your angels, trust your angels, have faith in yourself. Yes, you need to keep on moving forward. This is the lesson you will be learning in your journey, okay? So this affirmation will help you. I will read it out. I experience love wherever I go, okay? Love is everywhere, and I am loving and lovable. Loving people fill my life, and I find myself easily expressing love to others. So you need to love more, okay? You need to let go of that hate that you have. So that is all that this affirmation will help you. So if you want to take a screenshot, if you want to write this affirmation, you can write it down. So this will help you in this journey. So I experience love wherever I go, okay? And you will be loving other people. And in the future, I feel like this, you will be abundant, and you will have everything, and you will be guiding other people to love self-love, about self-love, about oh my god, my words about self-love, about loving others, about trusting the divine plan, having patience, okay? So that's all I have for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a subscribe, comment, share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 4. So whoever chose this one number, let's see what is your reading. So these are the charms that we'll talk about later. So these 2 cards will say about what's coming next in your journey, and these are the tarot cards, the witch tarot cards that will add messages, extra messages. Then this card that is the soul's journey lesson cards will tell you about the lesson you will be learning in this journey, okay, that you will be learning or that you're learning. And this wisdom of the oracle cards will tell you about the guidance from your angels, archangels, spirit guides, or the guardian angels. So what are the messages, or what is the guidance from your higher self, anything like that, okay? That will be the guidance. And this is the affirmation cards. that will help you in this journey. Okay, so the charms will be doing also. Okay, so I've pulled out some for you. So first, the thing I'll be talking about is the 1 number. Okay, the 1 number. 1 number is all about new beginnings coming into your life. Something new is happening, something good. I feel you are healing in your process, in your journey, and because of that you are growing, and finally a cycle has ended and a new cycle is beginning in your life. I feel for this pile. Okay, so let's see what the oracle cards have. So expand your horizons. Okay, so it's time to get out of the comfort zone. Okay guys, so this person is getting out of the box. Okay, so it's time to go on a journey that is different from now. It's time to get outside, do something different, because you are starting a cycle. So the patterns, the routines that you were doing, you need to change. Something needs to be changed. Okay, in order to expand things in your life, you need to work on that. So sometimes what happens, the cycle keeps repeating on. The reason is that because we are not changing our perspective. So I feel for you, for many of you guys, you are going through this inner growth that is happening. I feel like in spirituality also you're growing. So because of that you will be able to get out of the comfort zone. You will have a different view about the things that you are doing. So yes, you are doing something something different now. So that is what is coming next. You are getting out of your comfort zone and doing something different. Okay, so cleansing water. So you need to purify yourself also. Okay, purification activates vibrant life force. So it's a time for decluttering. So sometimes you need to take this spiritual bath, cleanse your energy, sage your house. Okay, so that is also important for you guys. So it's for many of you guys, I feel there are energies that are not good for you, that kind of negative energies or all. So it's important you cleanse your house, you cleanse your work table or something like that also is coming. So it's time to take a vacation also. I feel like that, to recharge. You need to think. When you take a break and think and reflect on things, you will get more ideas. Okay, so I feel you can connect to the divine also. Your intuition is also going to be stronger when you declutter the old patterns, old behavior that is not serving you. So that is the change you are making next in your journey. And yeah, you need to do that. You need to let go of the past completely and be hopeful about your future. But at the same time, don't live in your future. Live in the present moment and try to expand the things. Try to see from a different perspective and get out of your comfort zone. So that is what you need to expand yourself. You need to be more flexible with your ideas. So that is coming here for you guys. Okay, so need to get out of the same. Sometimes we become so comfortable in the daily routine that we don't do something that is out of the box because we feel fearful. But right now I feel the next thing that you will be doing is something different, and because of that you will have the success. Okay, so maybe because of that also some people will have this negative energy coming towards you. I feel like that. So you need to clutter your space. Okay, if you have not cleaned your house for long, so if it's messy, go ahead and clean it. Declutter all the things that is not needed in your life. With that, declutter all the feelings that is not needed, and just trust in the divine and trust in the divine plan. Okay, so that is what coming. So let's dig deeper with this tarot cards. Look, Knight of Wands energy, and wow, we have World and we have Lovers. Okay, you have two major arcanas, and that is the Worlds. Yes, I said, I talked about us ending of a cycle. So yes, the World card, the end of a cycle, and that means you are gonna get success in whatever you're doing, because the cycle is ending. The cycle that was not serving you, because you are going to expand your thinking, and you're putting more ideas, more you will have these ideas to move forward. You will get this, your intuition is stronger, your inner guidance will give you ideas. So sometimes you might get a crazy idea, just go with it, okay? If your intuition is saying that go with this crazy idea, just go with it, because that will give you success. And you need to take a break also, I feel like that. Just have a vacation or spend time with yourself, go to the beach or spend some time with water, because they have water, you have this water here also. So I feel it's time to just go to the beach and relax, okay? Here also I feel the beach vibe is coming here, and I feel you will get the success, okay? Your basket of fruits will be filled up, I feel like that. So yeah, so whatever you are putting your effort in is gonna manifest, and I feel you will have these ideas and you will be moving forward, okay? With this Knight of Wands energy, I feel you are going to be very, very passionate about your work or career or anything, relationship will be very, very passionate, and you will be happy there. I feel like that you will be happy, you will be living a joyful life. That the main thing in life is to be happy, to be joyful. You are knowing that and you are understanding that, and there is immense self growth coming to you, okay? And then we have this Page of Swords. So someone is I feel like this Page of Swords energy, so someone is like, there is a person who is like checking you online or something like that, because with this Page of Swords and Lovers, so you might be meeting someone, okay? So this Page of Swords come like maybe someone is there, or maybe it can be this negative people around you, because of this Page of Swords. They don't they're checking you out and not feeling sending negative vibes. So it's important you purify yourself, cleanse your energy, okay? So that is also important. But yeah, someone is definitely checking you online, I feel like that, because you are glowing, I feel like that. So because of this Page of Swords, I feel like that. And maybe for some of you, you are going to be very, very intelligent, and you know what you need to do, and you moving towards your ideas, okay? And that will give you success. So whatever your ideas, the ideas that is coming, you are expanding your horizons, and you are that what you need to do, you're doing something out of the box, and that will work out for sure, that will be successful. So if it's a creative idea, definitely go with it, okay? Don't think too much, because the Lovers card is about the decision making also, I feel like that. So if there is a crazy idea coming into your head, just go with it. That is going to be very, very creative. I feel something creative is that, something creative thing is that. So don't think too much about it. So if you feel that even though it's crazy, if you go towards it passionately, you will get the success, I feel like that. So this idea, the creative idea, whatever the creative project, so you will be expanding yourself, or business idea, anything. And your soulmate is coming, so you might be connecting with someone online. Yeah, that can also be possible with this Page of Swords and this Lovers here. So you might be connecting with someone online, okay? That might be your soulmate. You will be, it can be a friend, it can be, soulmate can be different people, okay? So anyways, you will be connecting with them, and they will be providing you something, knowledge that will help you in certain way, okay? You will be connecting with someone for sure with this Lovers and this Page of Swords, okay? So yes, you just keep moving, just keep moving forward, but cleanse your energy, okay? And the patterns, maybe sometimes you overthink and the negativity come inside, so you need to cleanse that all feelings, let go that feelings, let go it, okay? Let that feelings go, and just take a spiritual bath, some salt, and have a bath, or just sage yourself or sage your house. That will be beneficial for you with this negative energy that is also coming through. So what lesson you're going to learn in this journey? Let's see. Yes, trusting your intuition. So yeah, I was telling about the creative idea, that crazy idea would come, and you will think whether you need to take that, because it's just a crazy idea, but that crazy idea is going to work, okay? So whatever, if you're in a creative field, take that idea, because that is the guidance from the spirit guides that they are giving you, okay? That idea. So just work on that, trust that idea, okay? And go. So the main lesson you need to learn is to trust your intuition here, okay? You will be trusting your intuition, and I feel in your journey from now onwards, I feel you will be trusting your intuition, and just will go with it, with that intuition, okay? With that idea, you are going to trust more and more and more with that. You are going to trust your heart, you're going to trust your intuition, you're going to trust your gut feeling. So yes, you're working smarter. I feel like that you're not working harder, you're going to work smarter, because you have your life is going to be a little bit more easy, because you will be understanding that this idea that you're getting, that is helping you, and you don't have to work hard because of this idea. Okay, I feel that. Okay, so the message, oh my god, look at that, milk and honey, the rainbows are here. Wow, I feel this pile is gonna get the abundance they deserve. So yes, you are expanding, maybe you're growing inside and out, because your your inner strength is growing, your inner self is growing, you're maturing, you're going into new zone, new horizon. Those are the patterns that would, the cycle, sometimes the cycle keeps on repeating. So now you are healed, and now you have learned the lesson. Now you're moving into a new journey where there will be abundance, where there will be enough for you, and the rainbows are coming out. The tough part of the situation is over, the tough things are over. Now it's time to enjoy, it's time to have the abundance in your life, it's time to trust your intuition. So the main thing you need to do if you want to be successful is to trust your gut feeling. Okay, so don't let that go. Okay, don't avoid your gut feelings. Okay, so because that is going to bring you abundance. So your angels, spirit guides message is that, okay, you will have everything, you will have all the milk and the honey, you have the sweetness in your life, abundance in your life, prosperity. Emotionally you will be satisfied. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, that is coming next in your life. So the affirmation cards, you got 2. Okay, that will be helping you in your journey. I am at peace with my sexuality. Okay, so this might be for some of you that you're making a peace with your sexuality. Finally, you're understanding yourself and you are getting out of your comfort zone, you're getting out of your closet, right? That can also happen for some of you. And finally, you're understanding that it's important to accept yourself the way you are. That might be for some of you. Okay, here. I rejoice in my sexuality and in my own body. Yes, embracing your body, embracing the one you are. Okay, so my body is perfect for me in this lifetime. I embrace myself with love and compassion. So you are accepting yourself the way you are, and that is the thing you need to learn here with this affirmation card here. So just I am at peace with my sexuality. So yeah, you need to work on this. So this is the affirmation that will help you in this journey. Okay, and the second, we got one more. I feel this is for some of you. I now go beyond other people's fear and limitation. Wow, yes, you're expanding yourself, you're growing, because you're letting your fear go and other people fear go. You're not you're not allowing yourself. That is the lesson, that is the affirmation you need to know, that don't let other people limitation limit you, because it's their thinking, it's not your thinking. Okay, you need to expand yourself. You are meant to grow, you are meant to be successful, you are meant to have all the milk and honey. Okay, so it is my mind that creates my experiences. I am unlimited in my own ability to create the good in my life. Okay, look, that is so beautiful. So these are the 2 affirmations you have. Okay, this was the extra card, I think. Okay, so now I now go beyond other people's fears and limitations. So yes, you're going to be very, very successful. You're going to expand, you're going to embrace yourself the way you are, and you're going to embrace your I feel your intuition. You're going to trust your intuition more and more and more. And so the cycle, the tough cycle has ended and a new cycle is beginning. But there are people, there are negative, I feel there is something to, you need to declutter something. Okay, so do that, clean your house, cleanse your house. Okay, so that is what is coming here. Or maybe take I told you, spiritual bath or something like that. Sage yourself. Yes, you're getting, you're becoming more intelligent. I feel like that you're gonna work smarter. Okay, so I feel you need to play something, playing, or you need to exercise. So that is also coming here. So next, your journey, you need to embrace your body the way it is, but you need to be healthy also, right? Yes, you are letting go. You're not hanging on the situation anymore. You're letting go. You're getting out of your comfort zone. The clothes that were hanging around and you were not wearing it because you felt that what will other people think, and finally you're letting go of that and you're taking that dress out of your closet and wearing it. Wow, isn't it that great? Right. Yes, you are embracing yourself. You're loving yourself. You're loving yourself. You're accepting yourself. There is acceptance. When you accept yourself, then only other people will accept you. Okay. For some of you, it might be your sexuality. Okay. For some of you. Okay. Then, okay. So we have this fairy energy. Okay. So be playful. And you're protected, guys. I told you that your intuition is strong, so your intuition will protect you also. So listen to your intuition. And yes, regeneration again. Yes, a new cycle is beginning. You're regenerating into a new as a new person. You're coming out as a new person. I feel like that. Okay, and you're coming out as a strong person, and you're healed. You're healing. I feel like that you're healing because this healing is taking place. Your heart chakra is opening. That's why you're able to receive all the information, and that way you will be able to accept yourself and embrace the things that you thought you were not able to do, and finally expanding yourself, expanding your business idea, creative things, expanding your view about certain things, your getting out of your limiting belief system, and because of that you will be attracting more abundance in your life. Okay, so the things you need to work is, the lesson you need to learn is to trust your intuition. Sometimes you let go of that, you fear whether it will be right or wrong, so you need to work on that. Okay, and yes, when you start trusting your intuition, you will have all the success, because we have this world card also, and milk and honey, you're meant to be successful, but yes, you need to trust your intuition more and more. Okay, so that's all I have for group 4. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.